Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to track face on CapCut PC. Firstly, launch the CapCut app and click on the new project to open the editing window. Drag and drop your video file into the editor or click the import button, then select your video. You can also upload videos via menu, file, import. Add the video to the timeline, then drag your video to the timeline track. Right-click on the video in the timeline and select copy, then paste the video on a separate track above or below the original. On the right panel, select tracking, then click on motion tracking. Choose the tracking direction and turn on the scale and distance options for better tracking accuracy. Adjust the yellow tracking box in the player window to cover the target object. Once in place, click Start to begin camera tracking. Now all you have to do is edit on CapCut and export your video. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.